In this exercise, we will configure time intelligence. To begin, we're going to use a workspace from the prior exercise. If you don't still have it open, it should be on your desktop and named Module 5. Back in Dashboard Designer, collapse your 5.9 folders. Navigate up to the Connections folder and right-click BBP Operation Cube data source. Click Copy. Right-click SQL Server Analysis Services folder and click Paste. When the new data source opens, click Properties tab and change the name to BBP Operation Cube Time Intelligence. Move to the Display Folder setting and click the corresponding Browse button. In the Select a Display Folder dialog box, click Create and name the new folder 5.10. Click OK. Click Time tab. Navigate to the Time Dimensions setting, use the corresponding drop-down arrow and click to select Date.Calendar YQMD. Move to the Reference Members section. Navigate to the Choose a Date to Begin the Year for the selected time dimension setting and click the corresponding Browse button. In the Select Members dialog box, expand year 2008. Expand Q1. Expand January. Click to select January 1st, 2008 and click OK. Navigate to the Hierarchy Level setting, use the corresponding drop-down arrow and click Day. Navigate to the Reference Date section and change the date to January 1st, 2013. Navigate to the Time Member Association section, move to the Calendar Year row, and click the corresponding Time Aggregation drop-down arrow. Click to select Year. Navigate to the Calendar Quarter row, use the corresponding drop-down arrow and click Quarter. Navigate to Calendar Month row, use the corresponding drop-down arrow and click Month. Navigate to the Date row, click the corresponding drop-down arrow, and click Day. Navigate to the Workspace browser, right-click BBP Operation Cube Time Intelligence and click Save. Right-click Blank Base and click Copy. Right-click Scorecards folder and click Paste. When the new scorecard opens, click Properties tab. Navigate to the Name text box and change the name to Blank Base Standard Time Intelligence. Navigate to the Display Folder setting and click the corresponding Browse button. In the Select a Display Folder dialog box, click Create and name the new folder 5.10. Click OK. Click the Editor tab. Navigate to the Workspace browser, right-click KPIs folder, and click New KPI. When the Select a KPI Template dialog box opens, click Blank KPI and then click OK. When the new KPI opens, click Properties tab. Navigate to the Name text box and enter Sales Amount Time Base. Navigate to the Display Folder setting and click the corresponding Browse button. In the Select a Display Folder dialog box, click Create. Name the new folder 5.10. Click OK. Click the Editor tab. Navigate to the Actual row and click One Fixed Values in the Data Mappings column. In the Fixed Values Data Source Mapping dialog box, click Change Source. In the Select a Data Source dialog box, double-click BBP Operation Cube with Time Intelligence. In the Select a Measure setting, use the corresponding drop-down arrow and click Sales Amount. Click OK. Navigate to the Workspace browser and click to select Blank Base Standard Time Intelligence. Verify you are on the Editor tab. Move to the Details pane and expand PerformacePoint content under KPIs. Expand KPIs. Expand Folder 5.10. Using drag and drop, take Sales Amount Time Base and drop it into the Drop Items Here pane on the left side of the design area. Review the results. Navigate to the View grouping in the ribbon and click Update. Review the results. Right-click the header cell above the target column and click Delete. Review the results. Navigate to the Workspace browser, right-click Sales Amount Time Base, and click Copy. Right-click the 5.10 folder under KPIs and click Paste. When the new KPI opens, click Properties tab and change the name to Sales Amount Last Year. Click Editor tab. Navigate to the actual row and click Sales Amount in the Data Mappings column. In the Dimensional Data Source Mapping dialog box, click New Time Intelligence Filter. In the Time Formula Editor dialog box, move to the Time Formula text box and enter Year -1. Click Preview. Review the results in the Preview text box. Click OK. Back in Dimensional Data Source Mapping dialog box, review the results and click OK. Navigate to the Workspace browser, click to select Blank Base Standard Time Intelligence. Verify you are on the Editor tab, move to the Details pane and expand PerformacePoint content under KPIs. Expand KPIs folder. Expand 5.10. Using drag and drop, take Sales Amount Last Year and drop it into the Sales Amount Time Base cell when next sibling appears. Review the results. Navigate to the View grouping in the ribbon and click Update. Review the results. Move to the upper left corner and click Save All. This concludes our exercise exploring time intelligence.